Fig jam is one of the most unique types of homemade jam, which is very popular due to its soft texture and sweet, delightful taste. Making this jam is a simple way to preserve figs for a long time and enjoy their flavor throughout all seasons of the year. Hello, welcome to the Cooking with Mahtab channel. Stay with me to see the best recipe for this amazing jam without it getting mushy. To start, we need 500 grams of fresh, washed figs. For this amount of figs, we need 1 French-style glass of water, 300 grams of sugar, equivalent to 1½ French glasses, 6 cardamom pods, 2 tablespoons of brute saffron, 1 tablespoon of rose water, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to prevent the jam from crystallizing and molding. In the first step, choose a pot suitable for the volume of figures. Make sure the figs are placed next to each other, not piled on top of one another. Add the sugar to the pot along with the water and the specified amount of cardamom, which you have pierced with a fork to release its aroma. Just place the pot on medium heat and stir a little with a wooden spoon, allowing time for the sugar to dissolve in the water. Next, trim any fig stems that are long, not to the extent of completely cutting off the top, just enough to shorten them, exactly as shown in the video. To allow the syrup to penetrate the figs, pierce 2 to 3 sides of each fig with a wooden skewer. Since figs have a thick skin, this will help achieve a tastier jam. Now, let's turn to the pot on the heat, which contains your syrup. Once it looks like what's shown in the video, and the sugar has completely dissolved, gently place the figs into the syrup. When it starts boiling from the sides, set the heat to medium-low. It shouldn't be too low. Let it cook for about 40 to 50 minutes. After the fig syrup has been boiling for 15 minutes, remove the cardamom pods you added. Then, stir gently so the figs don't lose their shape. It's best to use a wooden spoon for stirring. After half an hour, it's a good idea to skim off the foam. Add the brute saffron at this stage. Now, 50 minutes have passed since the jam started cooking, and our jam is almost ready. Add the rose water for aroma and the lemon juice to prevent crystallization and mold. Now you need to test it. Pour a tablespoon of the jam into a bowl and place it in the freezer for 2 to 3 minutes to cool quickly and set. When you see it has a consistency like honey and is elastic, it means it has reached the right thickness. Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. After it has cooled completely, pour it into clean and completely dry jars and store it in the refrigerator. Here you have the most delicious fig jam you can make. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I would be happy if you followed the Cooking with Mahtab channel and stayed with me.